Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how to prepare Kadha. So ingredients required to prepare Kadha are tulsi leaves, grated ginger, cinnamon powder and black pepper powder. So you need to boil all these spices and herbs with 2 cups of water. You need to boil the spices and herbs for 10 to 15 minutes. So once it is fully boiled, you can consume it. So you can see in the video it's getting boiled. You can see the kadha is ready now. It smells really strong. So I'm taking my first sip now. It's so hot. It tastes really good. I can feel the spices.